Today, you will learn how to freeze a table in Word. Welcome to Easy Guide YouTube channel. Open the document that contains your table. Scroll to the table you want to fix. Move your mouse to the top left corner of the table. You will see a small square box with a crosshair icon. This is the table selector. Click on this box to select the entire table. If you only want to freeze certain rows, columns, or cells, just select those instead. Right-click on the crosshair box or your selected cells. From the menu, click Table Properties. This is where all the important settings are hidden. In the Table Properties window, click on the Row tab. Check Specify Height. Enter the height you want. From the drop-down, choose Exactly. Choosing Exactly is the key. This tells Word not to increase the row height no matter how much text you type. Now click on the Table tab. Click the Options button. You will see an option called Automatically Resize to Fit Contents. Uncheck this box. Make sure there is no tick. Click OK, then OK again. Now, Word will stop adjusting column width automatically. Now your row height will stay fixed, column width will stay fixed, table will not stretch or shrink when you type. Your table layout will remain clean and professional. If this tutorial helped you, like the video, share it with others, and subscribe for more super simple Microsoft Word tips made especially for beginners.